A for air balloon, flying high in the sky. B for bridge, ooh, splashing water fun nearby. C for Candyland, full of sweets and treats. D for donut world, where sugar never cheats. E for enchanted eggs, hidden in rainbow nests. F for fairy fruit field, where juicy magic rests. G for jungle land, monkeys swing and parrots sing. H for honey sweet home, bees buzzing joy they bring. I for ice cream world, chilling with creamy delight. J for jelly world, wiggle wobble bright. K for ketchup castle, red and saucy fun. L for light sweet moment, shiny joy for everyone. N for monkey jumping jungle, swinging tree to tree. N for nest sweet home, cozy calm and free. O for orange land, juicy joy all around. P for popcorn world, crunchy magic sound. Q for Queen's Kingdom, royal, bold and bright. R for rainbow, racing colors flying in light. S for Strawberry Land, so sweet and yummy. T for Tower of Candy, tall and super gummy. U for unfolding sweets, surprise at every stage. V for village crafted tiny homes, wise and sage. W for Waffle World, a whimsical tasty place. X for extra chilly tower, spicy in your face. Y for young skier, snowy ground, sliding fast and free. Z for zoo of kids and animals, fun for you and me.